Nelson.
And my name is Ryan.
We're gonna be unboxing banana.
Yeah. And look at this. Look at this.
How many bananas? Hold on. How many bananas do you have there?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
You have 3 bananas
You
there?
do not have to count. You can just say it. There's 24 that you can collect.
There's 24 you can collect. Can I see? Ryan, can I see the back of yours? What kind of toy do you think is in that banana?
I think the spider's gonna be in this banana, and the rabbit's gonna be in this one, and the alien is gonna be in this one.
What about you, Ryan? What do you think is in yours?
Let me think, okay? Maybe a spider, and a panda bear, and this. Let's get started!
Ooh, it smells good. Mom, it smells good.
Can I get it started for you?
I can help.
Let me sneak.
Ooh, those are squishy.
Give me the other one. Good job, Ryan.
Okay, so how do I put this together? Ooh, these smell good too.
What do they smell like?
This one smells like a banana.
That one smells like a banana? Yummy. Do you want to eat it?
Yeah, let's see if it's eatable.
See?
Oh wait, I got the beaver. Yippee, beaver. I got the beaver. Yeah, the beaver. This is a beaver. This is a cat. This is a cat, I think.
And this is a cat.
I don't know.
And this is a cat. And this is a cat. And
That's a pig.
That's a cat.
That's a pig.
No!
Oh, these things. There's, I don't know.
I think maybe.
Oh, I think I know it. I'm gonna put it together and show you.
Cool. They all tie together and they all swing together.
Yeah. Put this back in. Good, your time for you to go back in your banana. Bye bye.
Okay.
Oh, and guess what? You can also, I forgot to tell you, you can attach them. And look what you can do. Ta-da!
It smells really good. This smells really good. Oh, there's food over here.
Oh, the food is for them to eat.
Yeah.
What food?
The food that came in the package. What food came with it?
I got the corn. This one came with the cupcake and the apple. Grape, corn, broccoli, and corn. 2 corns. Cool.
The animals want to eat. It's yum 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 yum.
Thanks for
Watching this video.
Don't forget to subscribe.